Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2020 41 variant, question number 9. And topic is the mensuration. You can see here what is method to do O levels mensuration. And have a look here. Question number 9. Total perimeter of the sector. He said total perimeter of sector. Perimeters call what? Outer boundary. This arc length plus radius plus radius. If you add them all, we give a perimeter. So one part is very clear. So I'm writing perimeter formula. So radius 8 one time, 8 second time. So 8 plus arc length. Which arc length? This arc length formula. And theta 8 plus 16. And arc length formula, all of you know, theta is this by 360 degree into 2 pi r. And you know, just sake of one reason, I am typing this separate. Okay, I will tell you why I'm typing separate. So this is coming 22 by 3 pi. So some logic behind you will come to know later on, because this is called arc length. Okay, arc length. So arc length is this, and arc length is very clear, 22 pi by 3, which I need later on. But anyway, I'm typing now in calculator, and plus 16. Wait a minute, plus 16. So answer is coming 39. So perimeter of the whole shape is coming 39.038. And what is the criteria? 3SF. I don't want. Which you don't want bigger than 4? No. So don't add. So it means answer is 39. So alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, perimeter is 39 centimeter. So this first part is done. Second part, he's saying here what? The area of the sphere is same as the area of sector. This is the area of sector, inner part. Outer part is called edge. Edge is called arc length. But the inner part is called area of sector. So equal to sphere. And you know, student, sphere is like that. It's this kind of shape sphere. And he said that these are radiuses of sphere. And surface area is a complete surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So I'm writing here area of sphere. Area of sphere is actually equals to area of sector. Area of sector. Okay, 4 pi r square. And what is the area of sector formula, students? Everything same, only pi r square here. Okay, so 160, I'm writing now here, 165 over 360 times 2 pi r square, and r is 8. And r is 8. Okay, so student, this pi cancel, and first of all, I type whole in calculator. So when I type whole in calculator, let me find it, what I'm getting here. So this is the answer. I'm getting 88 over 3. Here 4r square. So this 4 will go down and will multiply beside of 3. I mean, I can write like this. And now I can take a root because I have to eliminate power 2. It means it will look like this. So when I have do this way, so answer is turned to be is coming with me 2.708. But I need 3SF. So when I round it, I get 2.71. 2.71. This is my radius. And because he was asking radius of sphere. So 2.71 centimeter is the radius of sphere. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. I think this point is very, very clear. Let's go for next part. He's saying that top sector, you know, student, I have taught this many times and I'm repeating here, this sector, this kind of sector. Hold on, I make it again. This kind of sector, you know, this is a radius of sector, radius of sector, which is 8. And if I convert this format to this format, let me tell you some rules. Rules are what? The radius of this sector and slant height of this cone are always equal to each other. I repeat my word, slant height and the radius are equal. So it means that is why both are 8. Repeat again. So you see, this is a 8. This is a 8. You can see here 8. This is the radius of sector. So radius of sector is, let me write it now here like this. So radius of sector and slant height of cone are equals to each other. Is a fixed rule. Second rule is, which is very important, area of sector equal to curved area of cone. We have 2 rules. Third rule, Arc length of sector is actually is circumference of the base circle. So we have a three properties important. I can use any, but I think so I will use the last one. Circumference of base circle equals to arc length of sector. So I'm writing here 2 pi r, and arc length is what? On the top of page. Hold on, please. 1 minute. I just move on back. Wait a minute, please. So look at here, students. So it means 2 pi r is equals to, this 2 pi r come from circumference of base circle is arc length. And arc length, if you go up, this is a 22 by 3 pi. Okay, 22 by 3 pi. So 22 by 3 pi, 2 pi r. So, radius and radius cancel. Okay, sorry, what happened to me? Pi cancel. So this 2 is multiplying with r will go down. So it becomes 3 is already available. 2 will come here. And ultimate radius is becoming 11 by 3. Because this 2, 11 cancel, 11 by 3. If we type in calculator 11 by 3, it is giving us 3.66666. But you know what's basic criteria? We don't want. So we will add 1. So 3.67 centimeter is a radius. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So it means you can say from here that this radius is 3.67. Okay, now what last part you're asking? Volume of cone. And volume of cone formula, you know what I'm writing here? 1 over 3 pi r squared time to h. But problem with us, we have 1. This Pythagoras theorem, we have to apply logic. This slant height, we know L is equal to 8. Radius, I just got it 11 by 3. I'm writing 11 by 3. So only problem is the height is unknown. So I will use Pythagoras theorem on this. In front of 90 degree, this is always called hypotenuse. And I'm finding it here. So hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse is 8. So I'm writing here, students, 8 to power 2, 11 over 3 to power 2, and plus height. This h come from where, student? Height. Okay. So now I'm finding it. 8 to power 2 minus 11 over 3 to power 2 equal to h square. It means short story root of a 8 to power 2, 11 over 3 to power 2. If you don't like 11 by 3, you can use this answer even. But for accuracy, I do use this way always. I believe you got my point. And my radius, I'm getting here, height of the cylinder, cone, 7.11. And let's apply formula. And radius of the cone is this, or 11 by 3. If you don't like 11 by 3, you can use the other one even. And height is 7.11. So when I apply 11 by 3 and square into 1 over 3. So answer is coming with me 1 over 3 into pi into 11 over 3 square into 7.11. My answer is coming with me 100.1. But basic rule is what? 1016. We don't want. So 100 centimeter cube is a volume of the cone. I believe all of you found out your mistakes. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Question is completely over.